What's up, thinkers? Let's talk about this. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 0phattv Think Different, the channel where we don't just read the headlines, we break them down so you actually understand what's happening. Today, we're diving into something massive. mRNA technology, the same platform behind those COVID vaccines, is now being aimed directly at cancer. And the early results are turning heads across the entire medical world. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button because we bring you stories like this every single week. What is an mRNA cancer vaccine and how does it work? So let's get into the science without making your brain hurt. Traditional cancer treatments like chemotherapy basically carpet bomb your entire body, hoping to kill the bad cells along with everything else. But an mRNA cancer vaccine takes a completely different approach. It teaches your own immune system to recognize and hunt down cancer cells specifically. The way it works is, scientists take a biopsy of your individual tumor, sequence its unique mutations, and then build a custom mRNA instruction set that tells your immune cells exactly what to look for. Your body essentially becomes a precision-guided missile system against your own cancer. And that's why researchers are so excited. Because it's personalized medicine at a level we've never seen before. The results that have everyone talking. Here's where it gets real. Moderna and Merck have been collaborating on a personalized mRNA vaccine called mRNA 4157, targeting melanoma, one of the deadliest forms of skin cancer. And their clinical trial data has shown dramatic reductions in cancer recurrence and death when combined with immunotherapy. We're talking about patients who were told their cancer would likely come back, and instead, their immune systems are keeping it at bay months and years later. The FDA has granted breakthrough therapy designation to fast-track this through the approval process, which tells you that even the regulators recognize this isn't just hype. There's real substance behind the science. Think different. What they're not telling you. Now here's where we do what we do on this channel. We think different. As promising as this is, we need to keep it 100 with you. These vaccines are personalized, meaning each dose is custom-built for one patient, and that process is expensive, time-consuming, and nowhere near ready for mass production. We also don't have long-term data yet on how durable these immune responses truly are, whether the cancer adapts and finds ways around the vaccine, or how accessible this will be for everyday people who don't have top-tier insurance. The question isn't just, does it work? It's who gets access and at what cost. And that's a conversation the mainstream headlines love to skip over. Where do we go from here? The mRNA cancer vaccine pipeline isn't stopping at melanoma. Researchers are actively exploring this technology for lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, colorectal cancer, and other notoriously difficult to treat cancers. The next few years of clinical trials will determine whether this is a breakthrough for all of humanity or a luxury treatment for the wealthy few. And that's something every single one of us should be paying attention to. If the science continues to deliver and the cost barriers come down, we could genuinely be looking at a future where a cancer diagnosis is no longer a death sentence. And that's worth talking about. The mRNA cancer vaccine represents one of the most significant shifts in how we fight cancer, moving away from one-size-fits-all treatments toward precision immunotherapy tailored to each patient's unique tumor. The early clinical data is genuinely impressive, and the speed at which regulators are moving signals real confidence in this technology's potential. But as always on 0phattv Think Different, we encourage you to stay informed, ask the hard questions about access, cost, and long-term outcomes, and never let a headline do your thinking for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. 0phattv Think Different. Own less. Do more. RJ Hamilton.